Mboko bobim enche bia na US embassy Ghana omo posti adwuma bi edigu omo website wo. Enti uyi obi a wo hwe video na opese oni omo ye adwuma obetimi ayiso akonya we na wa apply. Wo ye professional tibetimi SEA. Na nyuma mienu na host omo posti but me call site wo no me hu adwuma ba ko bi ka nti obetimi kwa check it out. Enti ene adwuma tu na me be ka chose na me kasam normal kakra bi enti ko website wo e ho na information ni na wa ebetimi ampoa ama wa apply pashi ata say enti ense ma memfa me nkomi phone no na me mobo enoma bi ehia nche adwuma ba kwa me hu ye AV Tech that's audio visuals technician enti you nipa bi a was ha field na omo qualifications bi wo ha enti ma me mbo sa qualification but say me kan na betimi akọ website wa akọ check full way no enti or say experience I say at least unya a minimum of 5 years of experience audio visuals equipment maintenance repair no yes and repair and education is at least university degree in information technology, communication engineering, telecommunications or related field. And see and so to me cabrof ubi a yes I in there definitely say with me cabrof na with metro into how to apply no and I make a mon website one ube document be a more posty but if I to team sell time that so be close no and see person one apply so in your fast and a second job near as a truck driver a warehouse worker and see truck driver and so on any remote job so you will be according to location is almost say Accra truck driver and say minimum 2 years of professional truck driving experience and at the same time so qualifications no be education let's say completion of a primary education about a driver's license as well say at least must hold a valid say at least or license in a year grade BE or CE. Into common website or a job back sign account into your site wa which make a who say now qualification no we need to be our self or apply now apply. Me did this video about say me apply now in Edgemana I send me message taking charge.com so Charlie video na me me apply na Charlie manya adwuma no Charlie me show and at the same time so man ka payment no but okọ site wa obehu sika na mo de be ma year bia no pachata say in this the video aboa no video na nam komo ba no preaching we na me boa be se share bi